Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Snapchat network error. First of all, go ahead and toggle the airplane mode option on. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off. This will rule out temporary glitches. Next, go ahead and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Now if that does not work, go ahead and open your settings app, search for iPhone storage, go to Snapchat and click offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Now if none of these work, go to your app store, search for Snapchat and make sure to update your app to the latest version. Safety tip: avoid VPN during login, it breaks the connection. Quick fix: reset network settings, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.